Welcome to the next generation of open source design. Today, we are exploring FreeCAD 1.1, a massive leap forward for the global engineering community. Designed for mechanical engineers, 3D printing hobbyists, and open source advocates, this version brings professional-grade tools to your desktop for free. One of the most exciting updates is the introduction of interactive draggers. This feature completely transforms how you interact with your 3D geometry. Forget about manually typing every dimension. Now, you can simply pull on a fillet edge or a chamfer tool to see changes in real time. This tactile, visual adjustment makes the modeling process far more intuitive, allowing you to focus on the creative flow of your engineering projects. Visual clarity has also received a major upgrade. The new ghosting feature in the part design workbench helps you visualize pending extrusion features. This prevents errors and provides a clear preview of how new additions will interact with your existing model, saving you hours of revision time. To help you present your work, FreeCAD 1.1 now supports professional 3-point lighting. This creates stunning depth and realistic shadows for your models. Whether you're showing a design to a client or a collaborator, the high-tech depth ensures every detail is visible and aesthetically pleasing. For those working on complex systems, the new modern constraint-based assembly solver is a game-changer. It handles multiple parts with incredible precision. You can now build large-scale assemblies without worrying about performance lag or solver errors, making FreeCAD a truly viable professional tool. Manufacturing is also easier than ever. The updated CAM tool library features organized icons for milling cutters and customizable tool settings. You can quickly select your tools, define speeds, and generate G-code for your CNC machines, bridging the gap between design and production. The versatility of FreeCAD 1.1 doesn't stop at mechanical parts. It excels in architectural BIM, allowing for complex structural design and planning. From architectural wonders to small-scale 3D prints, the software provides a unified platform for all your creative and technical endeavors. This update is a testament to the power of the open source community. Thousands of contributors have worked together to make this vision a reality. By choosing FreeCAD, you are supporting a future where powerful engineering tools are accessible to everyone, everywhere, without subscription fees. FreeCAD 1.1 is more than just a software update. It is a declaration of freedom for creators and engineers around the world. Experience the power, the precision, and the freedom of the latest release. Download FreeCAD 1.1 now and start your next project today. Join the revolution of open source engineering. Together, let's build the future, one part at a time. Thank you for watching.